Bafethu, there you have it. Orlando Pirates winning by 2-0, playing against Stellenbosch FC away from home. Orlando Pirates collected the maximum points. Lama point abalulekile if they want to keep their hopes of winning the title alive. Lerato, what did you make of the game?
What a flat game. Game in flat. It was flat. Stellenbosch Lusona, they made mistakes. Then the Pirates at the back they were not structured. Middle fielder na money something ikahaya. So konaf dolol. So at the front they didn't have players long bakakono go ba really good. So even Pirates na for na I think spelebele for today ke na pamistel to all of them for me Mfukeng your policy Mbata Makaula they were not there in the game, but at the end of the day they must grind the results. 3 points, it's important.
Nchita, Orlando Pirates sonke besicomplain asitha in a strike. But going into this game, coach of Taslamo Wadu decided to rotate. Waqala ngo-Evidence Makgopa. Sibonile impact ka Makgopa. Ukorile, utistep, ukeeper sa to save cross Tito, and then Orlando Pirates lead by 2-0. Does this mean Evidence Makgopa is the solution for inking as Orlando Pirates up front?
Ngicabanga ukuthi Evidence Makgopa, to be honest, bafethu ungcono than uMbuthuma. So yena ipresence yakhe siyayibona emidlalo yabo noma kuthola ukuthi uthola lawo half chances, but ke ubalekile lapha na phambili for Orlando Pirates. Wonke amabhola ba crosser Evidence Makgopa uyazama ukufika kuwo yabo a create something, create 2 goals obe involve. Siyazi ukuthi elinye balinika uTito, but what a good performance from Evidence Makgopa. Ngithi good performance ngoba ukorile and ekudlalelwa ama goal phela at the end of the day yabo ngoba ungadlala kahle but ungakori. So Evidence Makgopa udlale kahle kakhulu. Sibilibili kudala sisho bafethu uthi man of the match naku bayamnika umfethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ku World Cup ama chances wakhe usibilibili if khona umjito deserve. Umjito asethembisa lo bekabukela uLerato Shabang that is wayadlala kanje.
Lerato Shabang sonke samas. Lerato ising Shabang. Aribua ka performance ya gae ka Mgelo Sibelebele. What did he do right ko gaming for ena go ratsole man of the match?
Defensive, like not defender. Defense
and offense.
Yes. So I think maybe that's why I'm feeling man of the match. Come Rahuka, Stellenbosch's attack. So yeah, I think I'm feeling man of the match for that thing. Otherwise, it was a good game for him. But as a team confed, I was so disappointed. I don't know Nalai.
Nkuli, Sarepa Manje Saival. Orlando Pirates, are they winning this league or but just making it interesting so that it's dancing at 30 easy?
I think ithanda ngeOrlando Pirates njoba bengisho kudala ngisho ukuthi baya pretend yabo, but le win lena ibanika confidence heading to the next game. Ibanika lonto bebaflet uyambona noSibilibili uthatha iawards le man of the match, but ke now uyambona mana akekho right ngathi bebabathethisa lapha naOrlando Pirates. Singazi ukuthi bebabathethisa ngamaqanda babashaya ngamaqanda or ngentelezi, but Orlando Pirates kuzo igame yakusasa important kakhulu. Ithi ngikhuluma ibhola ke manje yabo, igame yakusasa yeKaizer Chiefs neMamelodi Sundowns important kakhulu. Igame ezonika Orlando Pirates umfutho namandla going forward if iKaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukustopa iMamelodi Sundowns yabo noma ibathathele ipoint noma 3 points.
We have a comment here coming from Umurwa Mfana Melvin Kabelo. Where is the suitcase mouth of Nkuli? What today? We need team Nkuli. Zakhala baba. Ngisho nezitha ze Orlando Pirates ziyathula bafethu. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for the continued support. Remember bafethu, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hambuye lapha na ku Facebook, like, go to TikTok, follow us. Hambuye ku Instagram, follow us. The only platform that speaks football ngendlela emele ukuthi ikhulume ngayo. Ngiphethe uNkuli Soccer, the face of South African football ku YouTube. Ngiphethe uLerato Soccer, she's bigger than uMama Joy. And mina, I'm the best analyst in the country. Thank you, Siras. Thank you, Cyril's breakfast is ready for you to eat. If producer, I'm saying Genomlomeni. But this live was brought to you by SportPesa. Kumula kuna le link esishiyile la. Click lapha yana uhambe uyenza izinto ezi right and register with SportPesa. Siyabonga.